Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and green meadows, lived a little girl named Zoe. Zoe was a curious and bright-eyed girl who loved to explore and learn new things. One day, as she was playing in her room, she discovered something magical, a talking teddy bear named Teddy. Teddy had a soft brown fur and a friendly smile. He could speak many languages, and he was especially good at helping children learn English. When Zoe found out that Teddy could talk and teach her English, she was overjoyed. "Hello, Zoe! How about we embark on a fun adventure of learning English together?" Teddy said in a cheerful voice. Zoe's eyes widened with excitement. "That sounds amazing, Teddy! Let's do it!" And so began Zoe and Teddy's journey to learn English. Teddy started by teaching Zoe the basics, the alphabet, numbers, and simple greetings. "Let's start with the alphabet," Teddy suggested. "Repeat after me. A, B, C." Zoe giggled and joined in. A, B, C. As they progressed through the alphabet, Teddy introduced Zoe to new words and phrases. They learned about colors, animals, and everyday objects. Teddy made learning fun by turning it into games and songs. "Let's sing a song about animals," Teddy suggested, strumming an imaginary guitar. "Old MacDonald had a farm, E-E-I-E-I-O." Zoe happily sang along. "And on that farm, he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O." Days turned into weeks, and Zoe's English skills improved rapidly. She started speaking in complete sentences and expressing herself confidently. One day, as they were learning about different foods, Zoe said, "Teddy, I want to try fish and chips, a famous English dish." Teddy smiled. "That's a great idea, Zoe. Let's go to the local fish and chip shop and practice ordering in English." So they headed to the town's charming fish and chip shop. Zoe approached the counter and confidently said, "Hello! I would like to order fish and chips, please." The friendly shopkeeper was impressed and handed Zoe a delicious plate of fish and chips. Teddy winked at Zoe, proud of her progress. As the days passed, Zoe and Teddy continued their English adventures. They explored new topics, read books together, and even made friends with other children who joined their learning journey. And so, in the small town surrounded by hills and meadows, Zoe and Teddy's friendship blossomed, and Zoe became not only a master of English, but also a testament to the magic of learning with a talking teddy bear.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.